Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to bookmark a web page in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do in order to actually bookmark a web page would be to select the little star icon next to the URL address bar of the page you want to bookmark. And then you can give it a special name if you choose to do so. And then the location, if you click on the drop down here, you can just keep it at bookmarks toolbar unless you want to create additional bookmark folders, in which case I would not suggest doing that. I would just keep it a bookmark toolbar there and then select save. So now if you select the application menu at the top right, if you want to access the bookmarks, you just would select that and then go down to bookmarks and just left click on that. And then it will give you a list of your bookmarks in here. And you just would left click on whatever the bookmark title that you named it as, and that would open up the bookmarked web page. So if you want to modify any of those names in the future, you could just go ahead and select the Manage Bookmarks button at the bottom, and you can rename the name of the bookmark right by just selecting the name here. Just make sure the URL doesn't change. That's the most important thing. The name is just the identifier for your sake, just so you can identify more easily. And you can also add keywords if you want to actually make something a little bit more out of the bookmarks page. You can actually add keywords. And if you have a whole bunch of bookmarks in here, you can actually search up here for the search bookmarks field and search by keywords and tags, for example. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.